The Dew Point system creates an unlimited, controllable, permanent, recurring income for anyone who is willing to connect South Africans to Dew Point. For anyone. Connecting South Africans in the system doesn't require you to sell or to present. It doesn't ask you to carry around stock or application forms, and it doesn't ask you to be involved in or attend extensive and extended product training courses. It says, just press play and let Dew Point do everything for you. It's a system that creates recurring, not transactional cash from a growing asset that you're able to sell. And when you die one day, it will automatically be transferred to your children and ultimately your children's children, meaning that you, right now, in your family, have a generational wealth creation asset. It's a system that you can use 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, anywhere in the world. And through simple, single connections. Not running back to your friends every month to beg them to buy, not carting stock around in the middle of the night. Single connections. You can create for yourself a lifetime income. The Dew Point system endeavors to make the average South African 1,000 rand richer every month for their first 12 months with us. It endeavors to shift South Africans from car renters to car owners in 24 months. It endeavors to transition South Africans from entrapped employment to full-time wealth creation within 36 months. It endeavors to move South Africans from home renters to home owners in 4 years. And it endeavors to make the average South African consumed, mentally consumed, and physically constrained with all the usual constraints and limitations and excuses of life, millionaires within 5 years. Along the way, wealth engineers who pick this tool up and choose to use it will have their work, no matter how good or bad, publicly recognized and praised. They'll be introduced into a community that genuinely seeks and upholds their success. They will be trained, empowered, and mentored in ways they would usually have had to have paid hundreds of thousands of rands for. And they will begin to experience the trappings of wealth and freedom with trips around the world, cars in their garages, and money in their accounts before they have even considered themselves successful in the Dew Point system. All the while protected with class-leading, risk-reducing financial services products.